TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Monday morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory to kick things off. You're looking at S&P futures, positive by about 33 points right now, trading at 37.38. We get the Dow futures up 214 at 30,093. NASDAQ futures up 140 points. That's a solid 1.1% in the NASDAQ at 13,052. And you get the Russell up 21 points right now, above 1% as well at 2,089. S&Ps looked a little dicey last night at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. You trade down to 36.56, and then the market trades up 95 points. 95 S&P points from low to high. We rake a pre-market high this morning of about 37.51, and we've backed off that area slightly at 37.39. All right, we got to jump to commodities, and we got to jump to silver. Silver climbs above $30 this morning. We're currently still up more than 10% at $29.62, positive by $2.69. You jump over to the headlines, and that is the headline as silver spikes past $30 as retail investors swarm the biggest target. Now, the interesting element here is the stories have often had to do with the retail investors, whether it's over at Wall Street Bets and Reddit or wherever they're coming from, have focused on the stocks that have been shorted the heaviest. All right, now GameStop, of course, they are still some of the restricted lists this morning on Robinhood. You're talking about 8 names, and really the biggest names that we had last week: GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Koss, Express, Nokia, Genius, and Naked Brands. Robinhood limiting all of those. Some of them, GameStop, you're talking about only 1 share of the stock that they're allowed to trade. Now you get into the silver trade, though, a little bit different, because Citadel, yeah, they got a huge position. Citadel's the 5th largest owner of the SLV. That's put out there by one user. I'm not sure the Reddit boys and girls know what to do quite yet, as a little bit of a divergence. Not quite the same scenario in silver. And of course, silver, you're talking about physical commodity. You're talking about delivery. You had one of the biggest dealers out there over the weekend, when you get into it, APMEX, okay, often called the Walmart of precious metal producers in North America, said they were unable to process orders until Asian markets opened last night. They said it was an unprecedented in the company's history, and then it may take longer than usual to fill orders. Interesting to see when you start talking about commodities and physical delivery, how that might play into that market. But you got the silver stocks, as you may expect, rocking this morning. Be careful in those markets, folks, man. Volatility. How about the VIX? VIX 31 today. Markets up 1%. Larry's coming up next, folks.